How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can adjust the volumetric flow in the Creality slicer. So it's going to be extremely simple, but of course, if you want to be precise with this, you can always head over to the drop-down menu, hit on calibration, and you could do something like flow rate right here. Now, you can just calculate the flow ratio, but to make things easier, we are going to proceed with the basic adjustments. So right after doing your calibration, you can just head over to the filament setting. We could simply change the flow ratio for each filament, and from here you want to navigate through the pencil icon, which allows us to edit the preset for this specific material or filament. From here, we then have the flow ratio. So as of the moment, or by default, it's going to be set at 0.98. Now, to adjust this, basically you want to increase it to fix the under-extrusion, or we want to decrease this to fix over-extrusion. So that's the simple explanation on how you can do this. But of course, once again, you can always head over to the calibration option, and from there, you will be able to test it or to calculate it even better. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.